Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating focus modes on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Focus modes are a great way to ensure that notifications to your watch don't distract or annoy you during important times of your day or night. You can create focus modes for work, sleep, and driving. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select Focus. Here you can see the different Do Not Disturb options. If you scroll down, you can choose to have your watch mirror your iPhone's focus modes. When the toggle is green, mirroring your iPhone's focus modes is enabled. If you tap Do Not Disturb, you can create a Do Not Disturb schedule. Tap Add New. Tap From to choose what time you would like the schedule to begin. Tap To choose when the schedule will end. If you scroll down, you can choose which days you would like your Do Not Disturb schedule to be active. The days with the check mark are the days that the schedule will be enabled. At the bottom here, you can see that the schedule is enabled. You can tap the toggle to disable the schedule without deleting it fully. And you can delete the schedule at the bottom here too. If you go back to the previous page, you can see your new Do Not Disturb schedule is here. If you disable it, you will see that it says disabled at the bottom here. Driving and sleep focus modes need to be configured on your phone, but if you set your watch to mirror your phone, then they will apply on your watch too. You can create a work focus mode on your watch in the same way that you created a Do Not Disturb focus. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.